Hey folks, Miss Stewart again, and this quick little video I want to talk about CourseDen tutorials. And I know that a lot of you have taken online classes before, but for those of you that have not, and even for some of those that have only had maybe one or two classes, it's really important when you take an online class that you understand how to use the tools within CourseDen, because this class and no other class within our program is going to specifically show you how to use those tools. And I can't tell you how many times every semester I get emails from individuals that say, well, I don't know how to send you an email. I tried to do your bstewart@wesca.edu, and most of you know that wesca.edu accounts aren't used within CourseDen. You have to actually go and find the person's name, or some people say, well, I don't know how to submit the assignment. So one of the things I want to show you is how to get to the tutorial section. So if you are on the West Georgia homepage, so wesca.edu, the fastest way might be to just do a quick search and then type in CourseDen tutorials, and click on your little hourglass there, and the first one that's going to pop up is UWG Student Help. And when you click on it, you're going to get to this page here. Very helpful links as far as technology requirements and things, but if you click on the second tab that says CourseDen tutorials, it's going to pop up and show you all sorts of things. And obviously for this particular course, we're going to do discussion boards. We're going to have assignments you have to submit. You're going to have quizzes that you're going to have to take. You're obviously going to have to do email. So if you're not familiar with how to check your grades and look for your grades, I want you to make sure that you look through all of those particular tabs that you feel like you need a little bit of extra help on, and make sure that you know how to use the specific CourseDen tutorials that I mentioned just a couple of seconds ago for this particular course, so that you're set and ready to go.